Hi guys, so I have this mirror in my bedroom that I really quite don't like the frame. So we are going to change that today. So let's do a DIY frame mirror. Hi there, my name is Reggie. If you're new here, karibu sana. I'm so happy to have you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified when I upload a new video. And also, if you really enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, comment. Those kind of things really do help with the growth of this channel. So let's get back to this video. For this project, I am using 6mm plywood, which is not only affordable but also it is easy to create the curvy mirror frame that I'm going for. If you are not recycling the mirror, so definitely you will skip all that part of dismantling the frame, the previous frame, to create a new one. So this is where your project will start. First, you want to make sure all the sides are equal, top, bottom, left, right. When creating the curves, we have two ways to go about it. So if you want a more perfect look, you will definitely have to use a circular object to draw the shapes. But if you are a more organic shape kind of a person, freehand is your best choice. Once I was satisfied with my drawing, I went ahead with my jigsaw to cut the piece out.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel like
After cutting, we are going in with a sandpaper to just smoothen out the edges before we start the painting. I just realized sometimes this is what happened when I'm doing a project. I get so lost in my thoughts that I missed the next step, but I always give myself grace to come back and redo the whole thing over again. So after cutting, you will have to paint before you attach the mirror. So the thing is, if I attach the mirror before painting, you may end up having some spaces that you may need to paint, but since the mirror is there, it will be a little bit challenging. I don't know if that really makes any sense, but first painting. I did three coats of paint, and this is the same paint color that I have in my bedroom. And since the mirror is going to my bedroom, it will be definitely be pinkish, but for the living room, I always like things to be black. So if it was black, that is living room, pink bedroom. To attach the mirror, I'm using silicone glue to do that. The tool that I am using is called a silicone gun. If you don't have one, you may consider buying if you ever want to work with silicone. It makes works really easy to work with silicone. If you don't have the flat brackets to hold the mirror and the frame, you can just leave it at that point. Silicone by itself, it can hold the mirror really well. You just have to leave it to make sure it dries well before you lift the mirror. So this is the next day. I left the mirror to dry like for a few hours. Then we are going to attach it permanently to the wall by drilling and using a screwdriver. This is me having a moment. And there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, for liking it, for sharing, and for also leaving a sweet comment down below. For more exciting video, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.